ମୁଁ ଅନୁରୋଧ କରିବି ଦୟାକରି ମଞ୍ଚ ଉପରକୁ ଆସିବେ। आपण मैंने कहे जे जो आम मनोरंजन साहेब अच्छा सी बोधे पाखे कला कि ना गोटे कथा कह गोटे गाँव गोटे चिड़ियाखाना थिला चिड़ियाखाना रे तार आट्राक्शन थिला तार बण मनीषटी थरे से बण मनीषटी तार मरीगला तेणु से कौन कजिया है से दल गाँटा दुई दल हो गला प्रथम दल किछि मास बुझिले द्वितीय दल किछि मास बुझिले किछि बुझिबा पर किंतु प्रथम दल जतले बुझिचंदी से तांकर आकर्षण मुख्य आकर्षण थिला बण मनीषटी सेटा मरी जाइछि तेणु से कौन कले बण मनीषटी को भल भाव में अक्षत अवस्था तार छालटी को काटिदेले तार स्किन टाकू एवं से गाँ पाखरे गोटे बेरोजगार लोकटी समस्ते थटा करुले ताकू कहले तू बण मनीष होगी पोशाक पिंधिक अभिनय करू ते मासकू आम 5,000 टंका देव से किसी रोजगार करूला तेणु से 5,000 टंका पाइबार कथा शुणला से भारी खुशी होगला और बण मनीषर पोशाक पिंधि से आसिक अभिनय कला सी ताकू सीना कहीं चिन्ह पार नुले किंतु से जो बण मनीषर पोशाक भितर रहीकि से आखिरे टिके से समस्त चिन्ह पारुला तेणु जो मैंने अकर्मा कहते देखिकी ये कौन कला भल भाव में नाचिला किंतु जो बण मनीष तार ताला ज्ञान न थाए कि ये ताल भाव में नाचिला तालबद्ध भाव में नाचिला नाची 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 पाखरे गोटे सिंहर डेन थिला सेथिरे जाके से पड़ जाइए से भितर गोटे सिंहटी आसी सिंहटी ताको खाइबा को आसी चेताशून्य हो जाइए सिंहटी आसी कही अरे तू कहीं डरुचु तू जमती ये बण मनीषर पोशाक तले अभिनय करुचु मुझे सिंह पोशाक पिंधि अभिनय करुँ कहबार उद्देश्य हूँ आमर मनोरंजन बाबू जो भल कलाकार आम मुहर रंग लागू कि न लागू आम समस्ते जड़े जड़े कलाकार आम निर्देशक होती से जगतरनाथ जगन्नाथ निर्देश आम प्रति मुहूर्त अभिनय कर चलचे वर्तमान समय आसी अतिथि मान अतिथि देवता मान आमर मानपत्र दे सम्मानित करने समय मो अनुरोध रखी ए विद्यालय शिक्षयित्री मान टे सहयोग करने लिटिल फ्लावर इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल आंकलाचटी खोर्धा ओडिशा डॉक्टर धर्मछड़ा डॉक्टर धर्मछड़ा पोएट द सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ ऑनर इज प्राउडली प्रेजेंटेड टू डॉक्टर धर्मछड़ा पोएट इन रिकॉग्निशन ऑफ हिज आउटस्टैंडिंग डेडिकेशन सिंसियर सर्विस एंड रिमार्केबल कंट्रीब्यूशन टू लिटरेचर कल्चर एंड सोशल डेवलपमेंट डॉक्टर धर्मछड़ा इज हियर बाय conferred with the Ideal Poet Award 2026. The honor acknowledges his consistent effort in enriching society through poetry, promoting ethical values and inspiring individuals through creative expression and thoughtful literary work. His commitment to preserving literary tradition and promoting social awareness through poetry reflects the true spirit of an ideal poet. Though imagination, wisdom and unwavering dedication, he has played a significant role in enlightening readers and encouraging meaningful reflection of human values, culture and society. His literary contributions extend beyond artistic expressions, fostering harmony, dignity and social consciousness. Dr. Dharmachhada stands as an exemplary literary figure whose dedication to poetry and lifelong learning continues to inspire readers, writers and the wider community. His creativity, humility and intellectual depth symbolize the noble mission of literature and motivates others to work towards a more compassionate, inclusive and progressive society. On this special occasion, we express our deep appreciation and gratitude for his valuable contribution and celebrate his achievements with great pride and respect. May his literary journey continue to inspire many more lives and bring positive changes to society with sincere admiration and best wishes. We honor his commitment to excellence and salute his invaluable service to humanity through literature, Mr. Dharmachhada. Now give him a great clap, Mr. Dharmachhada. Hello. Next, Ideal Administrator Award 2026. The certificate of honor is proudly presented to Dr. Chaudhary Ramakant Das, Ideal Administrator, in recognition of his outstanding dedication, sincere service, and remarkable contribution to education, social development, and community welfare. Dr. Chaudhary Ramakant Das is hereby conferred with the Ideal Administration Award 2026. This honor acknowledges his constant effort in promoting institutional excellence, ethical leadership, and organizational development through vision, dedication, and effective administration. Mr. Dr. Chaudhary Ramakant Das. I request all to give him a great clap. Next, certificate of honor, Ideal Poet Award 2026. This certificate of honor is proudly presented to Dr. Bibhu Misra, poet, in recognition of his outstanding dedication, sincere service, and remarkable contribution to literature, culture, and social development. Bibhu Misra is hereby conferred with the Ideal Poet Award 2026. This honor acknowledges his constant efforts in enriching society through poetry, promoting ethical values, and inspiring individuals through meaningful literary expressions. Next, certificate of honor, Ideal Professor Award 2026. The certificate of honor is proudly presented to Dr. Girish Ranjan Sahu, Professor, in recognition of his outstanding dedication, sincere service, and remarkable contribution to education, social development, and community welfare. Dr. Girish Ranjan Sahu is hereby conferred with the Ideal Professor Award 2026. This honor acknowledges his constant effort in promoting academic excellence, ethical values, and intellectual growth through committed teaching, research, and mentorship. I request all to give him a big clap. Next, certificate of honor, Dr. Bibhu Prasad Misra, poet. The certificate of honor is proudly presented to Dr. Bibhu Misra, poet, in recognition of his outstanding dedication, sincere service, and remarkable contribution to literature. द्विज ହେଇଗଲେ ଆପଣ ସାଧାରଣତଃ ବ୍ରାହ୍ମଣ ମାନେ ଦ୍ୱିଜ ଦୁଇଥର ଜନ୍ମ ନିଅନ୍ତି।
आमर बेस्ट आंकर भाव आम आज कुलमणि सार को भी सम्मानित करुचु जेहेतु सी आम को एत समय धरी बहुमूल्य समय नष्ट करी आम बहुत काम करुछंती मंच संचालक भाव आम आज पुरस्कृत करुचु। धन्यवाद। मोर फाउंडर मेंबर विकास रंजन मिश्र। विकास रंजन मिश्र
I request Vikas Ranjan Mishra to come to the stage. Vikas Ranjan Mishra. The certificate of honor is proudly presented to Mr. Vikas Ranjan Mishra, educationist. The recognition of his outstanding dedication, sincere service and remarkable contribution to literature, culture and social development. Mr. Vikas Ranjan Mishra is hereby conferred with Ideal Educationist Award 2026. I request Mr. Vikas Ranjan Mishra, please come to the stage. Next ideal teacher goes to certificate honor Rasmita Pradhan. I request Rasmita Pradhan to receive his certificate honor award. Rasmita Pradhan. Then I request as ideal teacher award 2026 Sonia Harichandan. Teacher Sonia Harichandan. I request Sonia Harichandan to receive his award. Then as ideal teacher award 2026 Kuni Pradhan. Next certificate ideal teacher as ideal teacher award Sanghamitra Pradhan. या परे मो अनुरोध रखिबी विद्यालय शिक्षयित्री माने पिला मानकर प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन रे टिके सहयोग करिबा हेबे. स्कीपिंग जाग्यसेनी बारिक फास्ट. क्लास 5 रनिंग स्मृति रंजन बराल फास्ट क्लास 4. सौम्य रंजन बराल फास्ट बास्केटबॉल. बास्केटबॉल फास्ट क्लास 1 सौम्य रंजन बराल. झोटी चीता कंपटीशन फास्ट श्रेयांशी देवी. सबुड़ा मना कले
प्रियंशी बराड़ स्कीपिंग सेकंड पोजीशन. प्रियंशी बराड़ ओके. स्मृति रंजन बराड़ क्लास 4 गॉट फर्स्ट पोजीशन ऑन रनिंग. स्मृति रंजन बराड़. राजस्मिता जेना गॉट फर्स्ट पोजीशन ऑन रनिंग यूकेजी क्लास यूकेजी. राजस्मिता जेना Subhasri Biswal. Subhasri Biswal, class UKG. Soumya Ranjan Swai got second position on running, class UKG. Soumya Ranjan Swai. Shreyan Samantray got second position on running, class 1. Shreyan Samantray. Shreyan Samantray. Shreyans Chenna got second position on running, class 2. Shreyans Chenna. Pratyush Naik got second position on running, class 2. Pratyush Naik. Pratyush Naik, class 2. Sulagna Swai got third position on running, class UKG. Sulagna Swai. Sulagna Swai. Urjit Kumar Biswal got third position on running, class UKG. Urjit Kumar Biswal. Urjit Kumar Biswal. Swatik Samantray got third position on running, class 1. Swatik Samantray. Sudipta Paikray got third position on running, class 2. Sudipta Paikray. Swatik sit. Soumya Ranjan Baral got first position on basketball, class 1. Soumya Ranjan Baral. Rutupanna Samantray got second position on basketball, class UKG. Rutupanna Samantray. Rutupanna Samantray. Rutupanna Samantray, please come on the stage. Rutupanna Samantray, please come on the stage. Rupali Satrusalya got second position on basketball, class 1. Rupali Satrusalya. Rupali Satrusalya, class 1. Aditya Kumar Das got second position on basketball, class UKG. Aditya Kumar Das. Jinna Swai got third position on basketball, class 1. Jinna Swai. Jinna Swai. Divyanshi Samir Sethi got third position on basketball, class UKG. Divyanshi Samir Sethi. Divyanshi Samir Sethi, class UKG. Shreyanshi Devi got first position on Jhoti, class 2. Shreyanshi Devi. Shreyanshi Devi, class 2. Jenna. Aditya Pradhan got first position on bottle race class 3. Aditya Pradhan. Nilesh Barik got first position on bottle race class 1. Nilesh Barik. Arusmita Pradhan got first position on bottle race class UKG. Arusmita Pradhan. Divyanshi Rautray got second position on bottle race class UKG. Divyanshi Rautray. Divyanshi Rautray. Divyanshi Rautray. Abhinandan Baral got second position on bottle race class 1. Abhinandan Baral. Bhaskar Baral got second position on bottle race class 1. Bhaskar Baral. Bhaskar Baral. Dushman Saman Singh got second position on bottle race class 1. Dushman Saman Singh. Harihar Chandra Baral got second position on bottle race class 2. Harihar Chandra Baral. Harihar Chandra Baral got third position on bottle race class 2. Prerna Jujhar Singh got third position on bottle race. Prerna Jujhar Singh. Saubhagya Sundaray got third position on bottle race class 4. Saubhagya Sundaray. Gobind Ray got third position on bottle race class UKG. Gobind Ray. Gobind Ray. Palak Barik got third position on bottle race class 3. Palak Barik. Palak Barik. Dinesh Kumar Swai got third position on bottle race class 2. Dinesh Kumar Swai. Rudraditya Sundaray got third position on bottle race class 2. Rudraditya Sundaray. Rudraditya Sundaray. Priyanshi Subudhi got first position on music chair class UKG. Priyanshi Subudhi. Priyanshi Subudhi got first position on music chair class UKG. Rajesh Paikre got second position on music chair class Kumar Jena got first position on lemon spoon, class 3. Ranjit Kumar Jena. Priyojit Biswal got first position on lemon spoon, class UKG. Priyojit Biswal. Priyojit Biswal. Divyanshi Ghatwari got second position on lemon spoon, class UKG. Om Sundaray got first position on lemon spoon, class 1. Om Sundaray. Priyasis Baral got second position on lemon spoon, class 3. Priyasis Baral. Gaurav Jena got second position on lemon spoon, class 2. Gaurav Jena. Subhasri Mahapatra got third position on lemon spoon, class UKG. Subhasri Mahapatra. Prabhas Naik got third position on running. Prabhas Naik. Prabhas Naik. Tanushree Bhatta got second position on bottle race. Tanushree Bhatta. Tanushree Bhatta got second position on bottle race. Shraddhanjali Rautray got third position on bottle race. LKG. Shraddhanjali Rautray got third position on bottle race, class LKG. Priyambada Samansinghar got first position on bottle race, class LKG. Priyambada Samansinghar got first position on bottle race, class LKG. Sanvika Chwal Singh got second position on bottle race. Sanvika Chwal Singh got second position on bottle race, class LKG. Jitisa Priyadarshini Jena got third position on lemon spoon, class LKG. Jitisa Priyadarshini Jena got third position on lemon spoon, class LKG. Sneha Sri Baral got third position on bucket ball. Sneha Sri Baral got third position on bucket ball, class LKG. Sneha Sri Baral. Rishan Pradhan got second position on bucket ball. Rishan Pradhan. Rishan Pradhan. Sashikant Bhola got first position on bucket ball. Sashikant Bhola. Sashikant Bhola. Shubham Pradhan got second position on running, class LKG. Shubham Pradhan, class LKG. Priyanshu Jena got second position on music chair, class LKG. Priyanshu Jena. Aryan Barik got third position on bucket Dibyanshi Baral got second position on lemon spoon, LKG. Dibyanshi Baral. Paridhi Samantray got first position on music chair. Paridhi Samantray. Sri Sibanshu Swai got second position on lemon spoon. Sri Sibanshu Swai, LKG. Sri Sibanshu Swai. Sri Sibanshu Swai got second position on lemon spoon, nursery, class nursery. Soumya Ranjan Baral got first position on running, class LKG. Soumya Ranjan Baral. Soumya Ranjan Baral. Smruti Rekha Samansinghar got third position on running. Smruti Rekha Samansinghar. Dibyanshi Guman Singh got third position on bottle race. Dibyanshi Guman Singh. Dibyanshi Guman Singh. Roshan Naik got third position on running. Roshan Naik. Roshan Naik, class 3.
टिके ध्यान देवे जे आम स्कूल रो गोटे गर्व गौरवर कथा जे प्रति वर्ष आदर्श पिला पाती। पूर्व वर्ष आम सोनाली नायक को डाकिकी देइथिलु, डांगुआ सोनाली नायक आपण माने जानिथिबे। ए वर्ष अंकुश मार्था से गत वर्षर गौरव आम स्कूल पाई ताको आम अवार्ड दौचु ए मंचरे। से अन्य स्कूल को गलानी, आदर्श स्कूल को एडमिशन कलानी, आम स्कूल रे आदर्श परीक्षा देकी गोटे कृतकार्य हासिल करथिला। तेणु ताको आम आज पुरस्कृत करुचु ए मंचरे। ए वर्ष जाग्यसिनी बारिक आमर आदर्श परीक्षा देइछि। आसंता को भगवान करंतु से भी पाऊ आउ ए स्कूल रो ना पूर्ववत बजाय रखू। धन्यवाद।
आजर ये जो कार्यक्रम है, आजर ये कार्यक्रम रे जो अतिथि माने आसी आपण मानक तथा आम मानक आप्यायित कर विद्यालय तरफ अशेष अशेष धन्यवाद दूची।